BJP's Patna Sahib candidate, an advocate yourself, Ratnesh Kushwaha.
Yes.
Young candidate, you're contesting for the first time here.
First time.
Acha, first tell me something. I'm not from Bihar.
Okay.
How do you wear the gamcha when it rains? How does one?
You can use it as a shield.
How do we do it? How do we
You can put it on your head.
like this for
and
when
you
it
can
rains?
cover it.
I know. You know how we do it? Just hold this.
Yes.
You know, when in our part, I don't know if you all do it also. We do this also.
That you can also do, but that will not protect you from the rain. For protecting the rain, you have to cover up your whole
I know.
forehead.
Yeah, right.
That will
Okay.
help
So
you.
we've learnt a gamcha lesson, but tell me something. You're contesting here for the first time.
Yeah.
This is a seat the BJP has won. Since 1995, I'm told nobody else but the BJP has won this seat.
This seat has been won right from the ages and from the Jansang only from the 67 and from the 95 only. Nobody has ever been able to get successful against BJP.
But has development happened with so many years that's happened? I met your opposition Congress candidate here. He is an IIT, IIM. He is also contesting for the founder. He says the problem is that people don't even know who the IT minister of Bihar is. No development has happened. That's what he was saying.
No, he is not aware about the ground facts. He was not here in Bihar for long time. So he must not have seen the development which has happened in this constituency. When you must be coming, you must have seen the Marine Drive over here. It is one of the state-of-the-art Marine Drive which is connecting the entire Patna Sahib constituency in different ways. Similarly, there are different ITI institutions has been developed. The medical facilities has been developed, and several development works has been conducted in this area. You will find that the OP Shah Community Center has been developed. The Gurudwara Gobind Singh Sahib, the Prakash Utsav has emerged as such a big event in this area that the pilgrims from all over the world.
But you see, the problem is that Patna, when I compare it to a Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore or a Chennai, it doesn't seem to have that kind of resonance. In fact, people even tell me Ranchi seems to be more developed than Patna. Is that true?
It was because for the 15-year reign of the past incumbent government of the RJD government. At that time, no development was done, and whatever you are seeing and whatever hasn't happened, that had happened just in the reign of the Nitish Kumar and the BJP government.
Okay, so what is the aspirational Bihari? Is Bihar politics still driven on caste and lines which are predetermined? Or is there a young aspirational Bihari? Because you also are fighting this time with the Jan Swaraj, which seems to be taking over the young people's vote.
No, not at all. Jan Swaraj has not been able to find any place and any inroads between the youth of the Bihar. The Bihar youth has known that what is happening, and as an aspirational young Bihari, I can tell you that Bihar has moved ahead. We have moved towards the industrialization. We have developed our infrastructure. There are almost 9 ethanol factory which has been there. The Birlas are here. The Aditya Birlas are here. The Adanis has set up the power industries. We are having a dry port at the Bihta. And so we are doing everything which we can do. But yes, it will take some time and we will become
So
a developed.
finally, tell me, if I as a South Indian from Bangalore wants to contest an election here in Bihar, how should I tell? What should I, first thing I should tell people? What's the first thing I should talk to people in your language?
सिंपल कहेंगे कि हमरा बड़ी जिताबा, हमरा जिताबा तो हम तोरा विकास करबुआ.
हमरा जिताबा, हम तोरा विकास करवाए. That means that if you make me win, I'll do your vikas.
I will do the development work.
No, but do you have a favorite song that you want
Yes,
to just...
I have. There is a song you can give. होता है मेरा नाम तेरे नाम से दोस्तों, होता है मेरा काम तेरे काम से दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों.
अरे वाह वाह वाह.